In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to spot the production date of an original American Eagle t-shirt. Have you ever stumbled upon an American Eagle t-shirt in your closet or at a thrift store and wondered just how old it might be? Well, you're in luck because today we're diving into the details of how to discover the production date of these signature tees. Let's get started. First and foremost, you want to visit a reliable source for identifying the vintage nature of your American Eagle shirt. A fantastic online resource for this is the Vintage Clothing Guide's website. They offer an in-depth explanation of logos, tags, and tips that you can use in your quest. Head over to their site and start by taking a look at the section titled How to Tell if American Eagle is Vintage: Logos, Tags, and Tips. Next, you'll find insights shared by Ryan Sanderson, one of the experts on the site. Don't just stop at the first tidbits of information. You'll need to dive deeper, so keep scrolling down. As you continue reading through the material, you will notice detailed images and descriptions that compare various tags and logos from different production eras. These visual aids are incredibly helpful. Keep scrolling through the guide. Each time you move further down the page, more layers of information are revealed. This process will help you familiarize yourself with how the brand's tags and styling have evolved over the years. As you systematically scroll down and absorb the information, pay particular attention to key details such as the fabric labels, the stitching style, and the design of the logos. The differences might be subtle, but they are crucial for dating vintage American Eagle items. Continue going through the guide until you reach the conclusion section. At each step, the guide offers a comprehensive look at how trends in design and labeling have shifted, providing a clearer picture of where your t-shirt might fit in the brand's timeline. By the end of the guide, you should have gathered plenty of information, equipping you with the knowledge needed to fairly accurately deduce the production date of your American Eagle t-shirt. So next time you find a shirt from this brand, you'll be much better prepared to tell its story and era. Thank you for following along with today's tutorial on discovering the production date of American Eagle t-shirts. We hope you found it informative and enjoyable. If you have questions or additional tips to share, please leave them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more engaging content like this. Happy vintage hunting!